Have you ever felt uncomfortable with the enormous bulge in your pocket? Or rummaged around in your wallet for longer than 10 seconds? It's not about having everything in your pocket. The Blaze wallet from Valmor Design is about doing more with less. It's about streamlining your life, throwing away your enormous wallet, and having pocket freedom with a sleek, stylish, modern wallet that seamlessly flows through all of life's challenges with precision. No more fumbling in the checkout lines. Pull the tab and pay. You can effortlessly carry cash and cards using the expandable elastic strap, and protect your other cards with the state-of-the-art RFID shielding. The Blaze wallet even has a place for coin and cash. Plus, it's made from lustrous top-grain leather and rugged stitching that will patina handsomely over time. Swipe your work ID without a second glance, with a convenient loop for keychain for your easy access. Free your pocket with the Blaze wallet.